Put your arms out. Put your arms out, Mac. Walk on the beam. Put your arms out. Put your arms out, Mac. Good job. Yay, Mac. Want a boost? Are you gonna jump? Uh-oh! You gotta crawl out, bud. Good job. You can do it, buddy. You did it. You did it, Mac. Where's your sock, buddy? Where'd your sock go? I see it in the pit. Hey, Mackenzie, would you do me a big favor? Do you see that sock right there? Will you hand me that sock? Thank you. Don't go yet, buddy. Don't go yet. Wait till she's out of the way.
You like that? You're going to jump in there?
There was. Okay, I'll get him out.
Oh my goodness.
We can't do that one. We can do this one. Come here. Come here. I'll show you another one.